Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dot & Key Ultimate Spot Corrector 10% Niacinamide Skin Clearing Serum. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, this retails for almost 1100 rupees, which is 1095 rupees, and in that you get almost 30 ml of product. To be very honest, I feel that it is very expensive because the same formulation of 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc you can get in some other brands as well at a much cheaper rate. For say the Dermaco 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc serum you can get for just I think 600 rupees, and this one is for 1100, which is almost the double of the price that you pay for it. Talking about the packaging of this product, it comes in this opaque yellow colored dropper bottle with all the necessary information mentioned on this, and there is MRP, manufacturing date and use before mentioned on the bottom of the bottle. The bottle is very sturdy and you can easily carry it along with you while you're traveling. Now coming on to the product description of this product, it says, be spotted for flawless and moisturized skin with a powerful combination of potent ingredients formulated with 10% niacinamide that brightens and 1% zinc that rejuvenates, a super light and non-greasy serum, fades dark spots and minimizes appearance of pores, reduces redness and improves skin's texture. This is what the brand actually claims that this product is going to do on your skin. Talking about the texture of this product, this happens to have a very opaque consistency. Let me show you what kind of a consistency does this have. This is what the consistency looks like. But even when this has a thick consistency, it does absorb in the skin very easily. But it feels a little sticky right after you've applied the serum on the face, which is an off for me. Now diving on to my review of this product, the brand actually claims that this is a spot corrector serum that works in getting rid of the dark spots and the blemishes from the face. But honestly, it does nothing of that kind. I had very high hopes with this serum, and which is why I used this serum religiously for up to 3 months, because the brand actually suggests you to use the serum for more than 8 weeks, because that is when the serum will start working on your skin. So I gave this serum good 3 months to work on my skin, but still I did not see anything, no change on my skin whatsoever. Another off about this product, which might not be an off for me because I don't really have a problem with it, but it can be an off for a lot of people, which is that when you scan the ingredient list of this product, you will see that there is perfume in that, which shows that this product has added perfume to it. That is the only one feel good thing that I felt about this particular product. But since it has added fragrances, it can be allergic to a lot of people, because not everybody's skin is tolerant to added fragrances. You can break out, you can have side effects. So not just this, but with any serum that you're starting out, do a patch test for at least 24 to 48 hours and see whether how is it reacting with your skin. If the perfume in this does not do anything with your skin, good. If it does show any kind of side effects, then I would suggest you to not use this at all and avoid it on all bases. This fragrance thing is actually a problem with all the Dot & Key products. They have added perfumes and fragrances in their products, which can be a problem for a lot of people, because people are gravitating towards fragrance-free products nowadays. So that can be an issue. So Dot & Key really needs to tame down the fragrance in their products, because people don't want feel good things from fragrances. They want effective serums and effective skincare products, and not just something that is filled with perfume, which most of Dot & Key products have. This product did nothing on my face. It was not showing any negative, but neither did it show any positive results on the face at all. There was no reduce of dark spots on my face. There was no improvement in the skin texture. Anything that the brand claims that this product is going to do will not do anything. It even has this thing that it is a glow boosting serum, but honestly this serum did not add any glow on my face. Packaging is no doubt very nice, it's very sturdy, it's very travel friendly, and Dot & Key does a really great job in packaging their products. but someone is not going to pay, or anybody, not just me but anybody, is not going to pay $1100 for just the packaging when the inside serum is not going to show any kind of effect, and if you are allergic to added fragrances, it might even show negative effects on your skin. So nobody is going to gravitate towards such kind of products, because people are now moving towards fragrance free products, and there are so many serums that are available in the market that actually are way cheaper than this and are effective and fragrance free as well. So Dot & Key needs to, I think, work on that and make sure that there are no fragrances in their products. If they don't want to completely stop the fragrance or remove the fragrance from their products, they can at least tame it down a little bit, because it is way too strong, like way too strong. Yes, this one has a little citrusy fragrance to it, which can make you feel a little better, but honestly speaking, it is not going to be beneficial for everybody, and not everybody wants fragrance in their products. Honestly, I am not going to recommend this product to anybody, because this just did not work for me, and I am not going to recommend the products that is not going to work for me to anybody else. This serum is very expensive, and I know that price is a very subjective thing to judge a product, but if I am paying my hard-earned money to purchase a particular product, I would expect it to work, and if it is not working, then I mean that is obviously a money waste for me, and I would go into some other brands that are cheaper and of the similar composition, cheaper and effective as well. So this is a complete no for me. I'm never repurchasing this product again, and I'm not going to recommend this to anybody at all. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this review, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description below. If you wish to follow me, please do that. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.